Hello, Menglaba. Janosia Clement Ba. In this video lesson, I'm going to present a grammar point which is important in our daily conversations. The difference between the use of have and have got. So if you're interested and you think it may be helpful for you, please continue watching me. And let's see here, first of all, the use of have and have got. First, let's see have. Have can mean many things. We use have. We call this a hot verb because it can be used in many ways. Have can mean possess. That means I have a brother, I have a mobile phone, I have a pet. It can also mean eat. I have my breakfast at 7 o'clock. I have 3 meals a day. That means eat. I have a shower. I have a bath twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. So it can be taking a shower or taking a bath. So many more, but in this case, in this lesson, we're going to see a few of them here. Let's move on. Have and have got. Let's see the form first. I have a mobile phone. I have a mobile phone. I have a mobile phone is the positive form. I don't have a mobile phone is negative form. And the question form is, do you have a mobile phone? What about for have got? I have got a mobile phone, positive sentence. And I haven't got a mobile phone, negative sentence. Have you got a mobile phone? That's the question form. So if you look at here, I have a mobile phone, we just use have, but when we want to make the negative form, we need a helping verb. In this case, we use the helping verb of do, okay, verb to do. And also in questions, we also need a helping verb. Do you have? But it is not the same here in have got, because in have got, two words, have is already the helping verb. So we don't need any other verb like, don't say, I don't have got a mobile phone, not like that, because we don't, in this case, we don't need the word don't, right? We just use have in a negative form, haven't, okay? Haven't got. So I haven't got a mobile phone. The same thing in the question, we just use have you got. So don't say do you have got, not like that, right? So the form is different, but the meaning are the same. In short answers, yes or no answers, one we use, do you have a mobile phone? The answer is, yes, I do, or no, I don't. The question begins with do you, do, and the answer is also do or don't. Have you got a mobile phone? The question begins with have, okay, verb to have. And the answer is also verb to have. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. So in yes or no question, you just use the helping verb. Do, yes, I do. No, I don't. Have, yes, I have. No, I haven't. The meaning is the same, but the structure is a bit different, you see here. Okay. We said we use have and have got in the same meaning in many ways, but they are not always the same. Have is more formal. We use it for writing. We use it for something more formal, official. Have got is informal, but we use this one very often in spoken English. So especially the British people, they use a lot of this have got instead of have. Let's look at here what is the same, when they are the same and when they are not the same. This is a correct sentence. I have a bicycle. I've got a bicycle. Okay, the same, because this shows that it is a possession. I have a lot of homework to do. I've got a lot of homework to do. The meaning is the same. So correct. I have a cold. I've got a cold. The same. So again, if we look at number one, I have a bicycle. The meaning of have is possession. Number two, I have a lot of homework to do. I've got a lot of homework to do. This is some activity, something to do. You have to do. Okay? Activity. I have a cold. I've got a cold. This express about health, problem, okay, or sickness. These are incorrect sentences. I had fried rice for breakfast, but we cannot replace the have here with have got. This is about eating, so we cannot use have got. I have a bath twice a day, but we cannot say I've got a bath twice a day. So again, possession, activity, illness, sickness, yes, both of them can be used. But for eating and taking a bath, we cannot use have got in this sense. The meaning may change. I put here, so for us to make it easy or to make it easy to remember, have is the same, I put equal sign. Have and have got are the same when you talk about possession. Possession can be, I have a mobile phone, I've got a mobile phone. I have a brother and a sister, I've got a brother and a sister, it's the same. I have to go now, or I've got to go now. I have to do a lot of homework. I've got to do a lot of homework. Activity. Sickness. I've got the flu, or I have the flu. I have a headache. I've got a headache. So they are the same. And I also put here the sign, not equal. They are not the same. What it means, eating and taking a shower when you eat, okay? We cannot say, I have breakfast at 7. You cannot say, I have got breakfast at 7. No. I take a shower every morning. Sorry, I have a shower every morning. We cannot say, I have got a shower every morning. No, we cannot use with this. Remember that the past tense for have or have got is the same. It's only had. There is no such past tense as had got. There's no had got. The past tense is the same. So we use, for both of them, we just only had in the past. Example, oh, yesterday I came home late and there were no buses. So I had to take, I had to take a taxi. Okay, I had to. So only had is the past tense. So if you think it is helpful, okay, you can follow us, please. I'm trying to post some short video lessons on this page from time to time. And you can like us and share this video with your friends. So thank you very much for watching.